All right, everybody, it's Monday. Let's get our minds right and ready for the week. Today, we're going to talk about trusting the process. Quincy Jones, one of the greatest of all time, has a beautiful quote where he says, "I don't have problems, I have puzzles." And that's an excellent way of looking at the challenges that you're facing right now. If we often look at problems as things we got to solve and they're difficult and you got to fight against them and they're obstructing you from some sort of equation or answer, but if you flip it to a puzzle, it starts to change it to, this is the experience I actually signed up for. I have all the pieces, I just have to reorientate it and play with it and see which one fits. The part of the journey that you're on might be difficult. It might be 4 a.m. and eating top ramen and peanut butter sandwiches, and it might be rough. So treat it as a game. Be like, all right, watch me elevate out of this peanut butter and top ramen situation. And it gives the movie that you're creating with your life context. The end of the movie, when the character rises above it and overcomes, they have to overcome something for that movie to have any value. So enjoy this part of the journey that you're on, no matter how challenging it may be. Treat it as a puzzle and enjoy that process.